Singing happens. But where does it happen? That's the question. So for the last year or so, I've been reading this book. Before that book, I've always been interested into art and vocal science and anatomy and all these topics that are related to music, music theory, all types of things. But this particular book doesn't really talk about any of these things, and it's a very old book. The thing is that after reading it for a couple times, and I still do, I realized, or I came to a conclusion in my journey of singing. My conclusion is that singing happens in the space between your imagination and the notes that you create. I could say that it's kind of like a cause and effect, but it's not the cause, it's not the effect, it's what's in between those. And the trick is that you must empty this space so that your voice can live in it. And usually fears, beliefs, preconceptions, expectations, or assumptions want to occupy this place. So once you empty this place, once you stop thinking about technique, once you stop thinking about form, once you stop judging yourself from doing wrong notes, or just being afraid of being loud and letting people hear your voice, your true voice. Once you stop thinking that singing is something very difficult and only for a few people, once you start believing that you can do it, or that it's just simply there for you, and open your mouth so that you can sing what's in your heart, then, and only then, the mystery of the voice will be revealed to you. It's not easy, but it's not hard either. You can do it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.